As we well know, April is a very transitional month in which you start relatively chilly, then warm up quite a bit as you get into the early part of May. Take a look at our planting calendar here for you again. May want to hold off on any kind of planting till about May 1st if you're up there in Iowa and Illinois. But safe to say you should be in pretty good shape now in the areas in the blue and the red. Now where the green and the red meet, from there southbound, on average, we have already had our last freeze, but still waited out till about the middle of the month in the areas in the green. Let's take a look at what that means now. By the 10th of April, you should be relatively safe around Little Rock and Dallas and in the southern Atlanta suburbs. By the 20th, things get relatively mild up in parts of Missouri as well, part of the Ohio Valley area. But as you get northbound, you have to wait until the end of the month if you're up around, say, Baltimore or Washington, D.C. Now today, a major cold front coming on across the Midwest as well as down the Front Range of the Rockies. Amazingly, yesterday temperatures were in the 70s in Pueblo, Colorado. Today, Pueblo is in the 20s. Denver had been in the 70s 2 days ago, now 32. A couple of inches of snow on the ground. And indeed, that cold air making some headway south and east, so that 70 in Little Rock will be a memory by tomorrow. Look at these changes, pretty remarkable. From Chicago down through Wichita, down into the Oklahoma City area, back into Amarillo. Temperatures falling 20 to 50 degrees below where you sat this time yesterday, but still very mild back east. But again, that cold air is going to win the battle as it tracks on east later on in the week. And for tonight, some very cold air looming ahead. So it looks like teens getting down behind our low into parts of Kansas and Nebraska. 20s getting down into parts of North Texas, even the Dallas area getting down into the low 30s. So a very cold air mass coming up tomorrow morning on April 6th. All right, if you want to find out